if I had to start completely over. No audience, no email list, no followers. And I wanted to make real income from digital products. Here's exactly what I do in 2025. Hi, I'm Jyotima and I've made over 200k selling digital products. But if I had known this strategy earlier, I would have saved so much money and time. So let's pretend I'm starting from scratch, even though I have 14 years of online business in the German market. Here's my step-by-step game plan. Number 1, clarity first. Before creating anything, I'd ask myself, what problem can I solve and for whom? I wouldn't chase random trends or build some fancy passive income machine. I'd pick one real problem I'd solve for myself or for others. Maybe I help myself getting out of a toxic relationship, or being a single mom, or to stay organized even if you're creative. That would be a product waiting to happen. Number 2. Start tiny. Then I'd create the smallest possible tiny product that solves part of this problem. You don't have to change the world. Not a big course, not a big membership, just one tiny, powerful starter product. It could be a template, a mini course, a paid checklist, a plug-and-play workbook. Something that takes less than a week to create or even a few days. And someone could start using all your tools today. So this would be your small product. You can have a faster launch, faster feedback and faster income. Simply by helping people. Isn't it beautiful? Part 3, pre-sell before you build it. Here's where most people mess up. They build first, then try to sell. I do it the opposite way. I talk about this product idea first on YouTube, on a free PDF, in an email sequence, in my newsletter, and see who raises their hands for a pre-sale. Even with only 3 to 5 sales, you validate the idea and get paid to finish it. Hey, by the way, if you find this helpful, give it a like and a subscribe. I'll be sharing more behind the scenes on digital products, tutorials and evergreen systems soon. Thanks for subscribing today. Number 4, build a funnel, not just the product. Once people say yes, I wouldn't just send them a file and disappear. I'd build a mini funnel around this one offer. If it's a freebie, you can send an email nurture and then the next offer. You can send them to a thank you page with an upsell. You can already put add-ons in your cart system. You can create automated 5 email follow-ups that simply work while you sleep. If you got your product ready, then send it out. Ask your customers for feedback to this course and collect the feedbacks for your sales page, of course. Number 5. Post, post, post. Then I would create content about this product consistently. You don't need a huge Instagram strategy, no endless SEO. You just need real helpful videos or posts, how it helped the customers, what they've learned, mistakes to avoid with this topic, behind the scenes of building, of course. That's your seeding. Case studies and mini tutorials. Work with the pain of solving this problem and get it out. Now bring in some email marketing and help people how to think and act differently, how to overcome this problem. They will trust you to help them further, and trust builds sales. I got called the mini course queen in the German market because I didn't only sell one product, but even 3 or 4 in one offer. And these products were so helpful that the people would buy again and again. Number 6, what I'd not do. Let me also say this. I wouldn't try building 5 products at once. I wouldn't copy what other people are doing only if you see they are making money. Better stay unique in your way. And I wouldn't wait until everything is perfect. Better get it out there now. Instead, I would focus on one offer, then the next, one funnel to these 1 or 2 offers, one platform until it works. You can always scale it with paid reels on Instagram or TikTok and with Meta or YouTube ads. So that's my plan if I start 2025 all over again. Just strategy that works, even if you only have like 5 hours a week. Start small, solve one problem and automate it. If you want to learn how to build your digital product the simple way, I've put it together in this next video. How to create and sell digital products with 0 tech skills. See you there.